Yo, yo, yo. You know where we at. We're where it normally goes down. We're in the garage. I know it's been a minute, man. My bad, as usual. But a lot of stuff going on though. You know what I mean? Like, Miss 2K, been really just working, honestly. Honestly, my job. Work-life balance thing's a little off. But here's what it is. We're in the garage now. We're gonna put in some work. So this is what we're working on today. Truck. I don't know if you guys have seen the new wheels, but we got 24-inch, 14, about 14. These are wides. These are 306 XF forged. These are forged wheels. Really nice wheel, man. Also got the floating center cap there. So that's what we're sitting on now, man. Show y'all real quick. Got the Beamer. I don't know if y'all know somebody hit the Beamer. So I ended up going with the M3 bumper. The Z's been sitting there for a minute. Probably wondering what's going on with the Z. Open this box up. You look in there, there's a 6-puck clutch. This is from Z1 Motorsports. So we got a new clutch for the Z. I believe the clutch is out on it. And any gear I put it in, it just rolls like it's in neutral. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. We'll put the clutch in. We also got the Z1. This is the Twin Z rear bumper. I don't remember what version this is. This is the latest version though, but it shortens the back end quite a bit. How far that bumper protrudes there. And then you look at this, doesn't protrude at all. So it's gonna be a nice upgrade. This is another big thing I'm gonna hit on real quick. So that's something to look out for. More than likely that's going on the Z, man. So we'll be fabbing up our own turbo kit. But today what we're working on is the baby of the channel. I'm so excited to get back on this. Kind of limited on space or whatever, man, but I'm trying to get a shop because doing this in the garage, especially when you got so much stuff, man, it's a lot. So trying to work on getting some more space. I was waiting on a guy that was gonna do the clutch for me in this car, because as you can see, I really didn't want to do this on jack stands. It's a big car, it's a big transmission, and you know, I knew it'd be hard to get it up high enough to do it comfortably, but it is what it is, man. You gotta do what you gotta do, and you know, it's mid-April. We're barreling towards the end of April, and this car has been sitting for months, as you guys can tell by the layer of dust on there. So, you know, I just kind of had to bite the bullet and say, hey, look, I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself. So cleared the garage out as best I could, put it in the middle. And so today what we're gonna be doing is dropping the transmission, hopefully, and getting started on the clutch. Now, am I gonna finish this today? Today's Sunday, probably not, but hopefully we can at least get the transmission down. Or, man, it feels good to do some work and film. I haven't YouTube in so long. All right, so anyway, got the exhaust off. So now I'm going to start working on getting the transmission. So I think this heat shield has to come off that cross member. Then we'll unbolt the cross member, put the jack up under there, the transmission jack, then start lowering the transmission. And I think that'll give us access to some of the bolts we need to hit. Back in here, man. TR6060 is out. As you can see, I had a rear main seal leak. There's real oil in there, but I got my super clean sponsor, man. We're gonna clean this transmission up real good. Thinking I'm gonna go ahead and just order an MGW shifter while I got all this out, and my parking brake. I think I'm gonna swap this out to an MGW. While it's this accessible, you really can't get any easier than this, to be totally honest with you. That's the clutch. I got little bags on the lines down there. Shout out to Snake Eater.
Dirt eater right now. I know I'm dirty as looking on this camera.
Came through, we didn't got the trans out in relatively quick time, man. Drive shaft was not that bad. It was just trying to figure out everything and get everything unplugged, but it's not that hard to drop this joint. Not bad at all. So I'm gonna take a little intermission, give me a little snacky poo, and then we'll be back. I think we'll probably finish off with taking the clutch off. Maybe putting the other one on. I doubt it though. I ain't gotta do all that because I gotta order some excuse me, order stuff. So, but it's out though. All right, guys. So we just got the
Clutch these? Oh, what?
they supposed to make all that though.
I mean, it ain't supposed to be stuck parts though. All them parts gotta move.
Yeah. So we just got the pressure plate off. You guys can see a little bit of hot spots, but all in all, not really bad. And then, oh shit. And we got the clutch disc there. That's what's going in. The McLeod. We still gotta get the flywheel off though. Then I got a leak from the rear main seal, I believe. So this is it though. It's the old clutch. Old faithful. Got over 100,000 miles on it. And I don't doubt she would have made at least one pass with the turbos, but we want to take that risk.
One pass and one pass is it.
Cause it feel real brittle. Alright guys, so we got that out though. We're looking at getting the flywheel off and replacing the rear main, and that's gonna be it because we got some
Shit, now I can see you see the where the bolts were
yeah.
riding this shit. Stuff. But yeah.
We got some stuff to order, so I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff off and then probably gonna call it a day. We got a lot to work done today though. So it's not that late. We kind of called it. It's like 9 o'clock. We were trying to get the pilot bearing out or whatever, and the puller I got doesn't work, doesn't fit. So it's too late. AutoZone's closed, so I'm gonna have to go tomorrow and rent one to get the pilot bearing out, which is this one right here. So this is the replacement. So this is what the one that looks like it's in there. It's actually in good shape, but you know, it's good to go ahead and replace it. We did replace the rear main seal because it was leaking a little bit, like a very small subtle leak, but we then got that replaced. So the only thing that needs to happen is we need to pull that pilot bearing, and we can push the new clutch on and all this stuff. So I'm also about to do it in the house. I got to order some more parts, man. Just might as well do it while I got the trans out. Like I said, we got to get the MGW shifter. We're gonna get the e-brake assembly. We're gonna get some oil. That's pretty much it. That should be it. I still need an AFR gauge and a wideband or whatever. Now I get that, but we're gonna get all of that. We're gonna get the clutch on tomorrow. We're gonna get what do you call it? Yeah, we're gonna do the clutch assembly, the flywheel, all that. That goes on tomorrow. So we kind of get that squared away. So there's gonna be more stuff tomorrow. So this is gonna be a wrap for this episode, man. I know it's kind of short. Well, it's short for me. It's been all day for the low part. But we're gonna wrap it right here. And appreciate you guys for watching. Keep cranking out these videos, man, because we're trying to get this car done within the next week or two. You know what I'm saying? Within the next week, actually. So I'm 2 weeks tops. So tomorrow I'm also gonna call GPI and see if I can schedule some time to get to me. So y'all know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and get with y'all next time.